Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling the recorder in Control Center so it appears when you swipe. Open Settings, tap Control Center, then add Screen Recording to included controls. This makes the button available instantly. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 11 or later, because earlier versions lack the built-in tool. Also, decide whether you need microphone audio. Toggle microphone on from the Control Center's recording tile once the button appears. Once done, you're ready for the first recording step. Now you start the actual capture. Swipe down from the top right corner on Face ID devices or up from the bottom on older models to open Control Center. This gets you to the button fast. Long press or 3D touch the screen recording icon to reveal microphone and app options. Turn microphone on if you want narration. Tap Start Recording and a 3-second countdown appears, giving you time to position the screen. Make sure Do Not Disturb is set if you want no interruptions during recording. To finish, stop the session and confirm the file saved. Tap the red status bar at the top and choose Stop, or reopen Control Center and tap the icon again. The video saves automatically to Photos. Once saved, tap the clip in Photos to trim, mute, or share. If you find no microphone audio, make sure the microphone toggle was enabled in the recording menu and check microphone permission under Settings right arrow Privacy, right arrow Microphone. If issues persist, restart the phone and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.